Welcome once again to Eduonwheels Do Maths in Steps. In our Test Yourself section of ordinary whole numbers, we have these questions for you. Number 1, find the least and the greatest numbers in the following set of numbers: 8130, 8013, 8301, and 8012. Number 2, the weights of 4 newly manufactured vehicles A, B, C, and D in an automobile factory are 4631 kg, kg means kilogram, 4589 kg, 4613 kg, and 4608 kg. Question 1. Which vehicle has the biggest weight? 2. Which vehicle weighs least? 3. Arrange the weights of the vehicles in 1. Ascending order of magnitude, and in 2. Descending order using greater than and less than sign. Next is solutions to test yourself in ordering whole numbers. Thank you.